everyone, welcome to Factland episode number 5. And if you are new one, please subscribe and watch till end because here we are going to see solar system facts which are very much amazing. Number 1, do you know which is the tallest mountain of the earth? Yeah, everyone knows that the tallest mountain of the earth is Mount Everest. But no, very few people know that the tallest mountain of solar system is Olympus Mons, which is on Mars. Yes, it is a volcano type of mountain, and it is located, and you can see it is the very huge. Its height is over 21 kilometers, and it is 2.5x height of Mount Everest. Fact number 2, all of you know that this is Uranus. Everyone knows that this is Uranus. So scientists are predicting that there is a diamond raining in on Uranus. The diamonds are falling in the form of rain on Uranus. So see what is the science behind it. It is because of presence of methane gas in the atmosphere of Uranus. So when this methane gas gets more and more connected with carbon atoms, it took a shape of a pebble, and when it falls down due to the heat given to this pebble, the it forms a crystal. uh, at last of this process, it converts into a crystal type of pebble, and then it is now known as extraterrestrial diamond. These are extraterrestrial diamond which are not found on earth, which are diamonds are commonly found at outer space stars. In these stars, diamonds are commonly found of outer space. Fact number 3, solar system's longest, largest, and the greatest anticyclonic storm is the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. Yes, it is present on Jupiter. You can see it. It is the Great Red Spot. It has started from 1665. It has existed around more than 355 years. Therefore, it is the most longest storm of the solar system. It is towards 22 degrees south of Jupiter's equator. It is towards the 22 degrees south of the Jupiter's equator. We can see it from the following images. Yeah, these are the images of the Great Red Spot, the longest, largest, and the greatest anticyclonic storm of the solar system. Okay, fact number 4, closest planet to Sun is Mercury, and on the second number it is the Venus. But you will shock when you hear this, that Venus has temperature more high than Mercury, because Mercury has no atmosphere and Venus has its own atmosphere. Yeah, you can see that Mercury is on the first number and Venus is on the second number, but Venus has more temperature than Mercury. Okay, you can see also from this image that Mercury has no atmosphere. See it, Mercury has no atmosphere, and from this image you can see that Venus has its own atmosphere. See this, you can see at the backside that there is some kinds of fog, means Venus has atmosphere due to which it is more which is more temperature high than Mercury. If you like this video till here, so please click the like button, and if you are a new one, please subscribe and share with friends so that your friends also can be knowledgeable. Fact number 5, earth has only one moon, just as like every single child knows. But we will see some moons of other planets. Just as like Mars has 2 moons, Jupiter has 79 moons, and these are 79 moons of Jupiter in its orbit. Saturn has 82 moons, but very few are known. Uranus has 27 moons, but very few are known. Neptune has 14 moons, but Neptune 14 moons are very clearly known. Pluto also has 5 moons, and they are this. Thank you for watching till here, and thank you for more for subscribing our my channel. And if you like this video, just click the like button and share it.